If you've ever cleaned your house or been inside a factory, chances are you've come across ammonia. It's a colorless gas with a sharp, suffocating smell that most people instantly recognize. While ammonia plays an important role in industries like agriculture, refrigeration, and cleaning, it also has a dark side. It can be incredibly dangerous to human health. So why exactly is ammonia deadly? And what makes this seemingly simple gas such a serious hazard? Today, we're diving into the science behind ammonia and uncovering why exposure to it can be fatal. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. Ammonia is a compound made up of one nitrogen atom bonded to three hydrogen atoms, giving it the chemical formula NH3. In nature, it's produced as part of the nitrogen cycle, which means it's actually all around us, in soil, in water, and even in our bodies as a byproduct of protein metabolism. Our bodies can safely handle small amounts of ammonia by converting it into urea, which is excreted in urine. But the problem arises when humans are exposed to concentrated ammonia in industrial or household settings, where the gas or solution levels far exceed what our bodies can manage. That's when ammonia goes from being a normal part of life to a deadly chemical threat. The danger of ammonia begins with its volatility. At room temperature, it easily evaporates into a gas, which means that once released into the air, it spreads quickly and can be inhaled almost instantly. Ammonia is highly soluble in water, including the moisture in our eyes, nose, throat, and lungs. When it comes into contact with these tissues, it dissolves to form ammonium hydroxide, a strong alkaline substance that chemically burns and damages cells. This corrosive effect is what makes ammonia inhalation so painful and dangerous. Even a small concentration can cause burning in the throat, coughing, and a feeling of suffocation. Higher concentrations can rapidly lead to swelling in the airways, making it hard to breathe and potentially causing death by asphyxiation. Another way ammonia becomes deadly is through its effect on the lungs. When inhaled in larger amounts, ammonia damages the lining of the respiratory tract and destroys delicate lung tissue. This can lead to pulmonary edema, a condition where fluid fills the lungs and prevents oxygen from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Victims may feel like they are drowning from the inside, gasping for air, but unable to get enough oxygen. In many cases, this process can happen within minutes of exposure, making ammonia leaks or spills in industrial facilities especially dangerous for workers and anyone nearby. But it's not only inhalation that makes ammonia risky. Direct contact with liquid ammonia is also extremely hazardous. Because of its caustic, alkaline nature, ammonia can burn the skin and cause deep tissue injuries. When it comes in contact with the eyes, it can lead to permanent blindness. Liquid ammonia can also cause frostbite because it evaporates rapidly, pulling heat away from the skin. This dual threat, chemical burns and freezing injury, makes accidental spills of ammonia particularly severe compared to many other industrial chemicals. One of the biggest reasons ammonia is deadly is that it's not always easy to escape from. Ammonia gas is lighter than air, which means it rises and disperses quickly. But in enclosed or poorly ventilated spaces, it can accumulate in dangerous concentrations. If you're exposed in such a setting, simply trying to leave the area might not be fast enough to avoid serious harm. That's why ammonia leaks in factories, chemical plants, or refrigeration facilities are treated as major emergencies that require immediate evacuation and specialized response teams. On a biological level, ammonia exposure interferes with how the body processes oxygen and waste. In severe cases, high ammonia levels in the body can lead to a condition called hyperammonemia, where the blood becomes overloaded with ammonia. This usually happens in cases of poisoning or severe metabolic disorders. Hyperammonemia affects the brain, leading to confusion, seizures, coma, and, if untreated, death. This neurological danger adds another layer to why ammonia can be so lethal. What makes ammonia particularly concerning is how common it is. In agriculture, it's a key ingredient in fertilizers, helping crops grow by providing nitrogen. In refrigeration systems, especially in older or large-scale industrial setups, ammonia is used as a coolant. It's also found in many household cleaners, though in much lower concentrations than in industrial applications. The widespread use of ammonia means that leaks, spills, and accidents happen more often than many people realize. And because the gas is so irritating to the senses, even small amounts can cause panic and injury. Protecting against ammonia exposure requires preparation and awareness. In industrial environments, workers wear specialized respirators and protective clothing to reduce the risk. Facilities that use ammonia must be designed with ventilation systems, leak detectors, and emergency response plans. Even at home, safety matters. Never mix ammonia-based cleaners with other chemicals, and always use them in well-ventilated spaces. Recognizing the signs of ammonia exposure, burning eyes, coughing, difficulty breathing, can also make the difference between life and death by ensuring medical help is sought immediately. Ammonia is deadly because of its unique chemical properties. Its volatility means it spreads through the air rapidly. Its solubility in water means it burns tissues on contact. Its effects on the lungs can suffocate victims, while its effects on the brain can lead to coma and death. And because it's so commonly used in agriculture, industry, and households, the chances of accidental exposure are much higher than many people expect. This combination of widespread use, corrosive nature, and deadly health impacts makes ammonia one of the most dangerous everyday chemicals. So, the next time you smell that sharp, pungent odor, remember that it's more than just an unpleasant scent. It's a warning. Ammonia demands respect and caution. It's a reminder that the very substances we rely on for food, cooling, and cleaning can also become life-threatening if we underestimate their power. Staying informed and staying cautious is the best way to make sure this invisible danger doesn't turn deadly. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.